Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing our 4th week of Halloween dishes. And today we're going to be making Halloween poison milkshakes. So what all goes into our Halloween poison milkshakes? 1½ cups vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup milk, 1/4 teaspoon mint extract, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon green food color, and Halloween sprinkles and other type of candy garnishments, and I'm going to be using gummy eyeballs. So let's begin. Alright, so this is going to be a real easy recipe. Just a few ingredients all go into the blender. First thing that you want to put in is 1.5 cups of vanilla ice cream. And see if I can do it without making a mess, because I am good at making messes. Half a cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract, and 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of green food coloring. Put the lid on, turn on the power, then blend it until the color is all thoroughly blended. Alright, so it is done. We'll go ahead and pour it into our Pick Your Poison cup. And you want to go ahead and put a few little sprinkles. It's got eyeballs and other little cool things. And then we're going to go ahead and top it off with a gummy eyeball. And this is the poison milkshake. And I'll go ahead and get my husband to go ahead and do a taste test.
Oh, that's real. A sprinkle. I bet you folks are green with envy. It's good. It's minty.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.